All right, Arjun K USA FC. The
हाँ
combination of self-isolation and stress can have an impact on one's mental health.
हाँ
How are you coping and keeping your mental health in check during this lockdown? This is something that can be applicable
yeah
to a lot of other people
yeah
because
yeah
there's so many reports which are coming in of people just losing it.
करेक्ट 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 हाँ नहीं नहीं यार यू वेक अप इन द मॉर्निंग एंड यू फील यार बिस्तर से बाहर निकलने का मन नहीं करता you suddenly you feel happy for a bit, then you read something on social media like you said, the negative social media, and then again you go into a slump. It's like it's like a roller coaster of emotions, and I can completely understand because the first few days, or even I felt like that. मुझे लगा यार ये क्या हो गया? I think it's all pointless because दुनिया खत्म होने के कगार पे you feel, the worst you start thinking. So I completely understand, but how do you tackle it? I don't know. Like, what is the one thing that you would do when you want to distract yourself or calm yourself down, Farid? What is music, for example, or do you spend time with your family? I think we all have to find that one thing that, and I think that's where art comes in. Being creative comes in. I think if you find your creative soul, जैसे मैं देख रहा हूँ आयुष्मान की शायरी मुझे इतनी पसंद आ रही है आजकल. मैं उसकी शायरी सुनता हूँ मेरा दिल खुश हो जाता है. एंड आई डिडंट नो मुझे आई वुड बी सो in touch with every word that he was speaking. Uh, Listening to music, I've been watching old films. I've been watching old films to live in a positive mindset. कि उस जमाने में जब मैं when I was not an actor, so I see mostly films from that era. I've been trying to just remind myself and stay calm and stay positive by living with art. I feel art has a great ability to keep you mentally sane, whether it's for people is reading, I can see books behind you. So for people is reading, music, it could be anything. I think if you, and you shouldn't have any fear in speaking to somebody about it. I think India में थोड़ा सा phobia हो जाता है बात नहीं करना. I think you can speak to your family and friends. You can maybe call up. There are even BMC, in fact, in Mumbai started a helpline which is
Yes.
very good. I posted about it. They've started a helpline, which is so important because कितने लोग अकेले रहते हैं यार फरीदुल. Like my manager Sucheta, she stays alone. I get worried because her family's in Aurangabad. She can't go back, and she chose not to go back at that time when the curfew was announced and the flights were still on. That वो 2 दिन का window था
22nd.
because her father is diabetic. So her fear was if she carries it, God forbid, it'll become a problem. So so there are so many people who are studying or working. हमारे जो corporate jobs में, I'm sure in your colleagues there must be people staying alone. So they can have ups and downs. So I think it's important. It's an important point, but I think you need to be able to talk to people about it. You shouldn't feel scared at this time. Where लोग ही लोगों
Okay,
की मदद कर पाएंगे.
iDigital Sting planning to be a part of One Day Part 2.
Ali Abbas Zafar से पूछना पड़ेगा, who's right now stuck in Dehradun. I know Ali is one of your favorite directors, Faridun. He's one of my closest friends. He's the one who has to decide with Adi Sir if they want to make Gunde 2. And you to get Ranveer to wake up to have a conversation about it because Ranveer has only been sleeping in this quarantine. He wakes up at odd hours and posts stuff and goes back to sleep in the day. When I spoke to him
Apparently,
last, he
like
said his
Comfort told me or something. Pulkit
yeah
was
yeah
telling
he's
me,
वो उल्टा ही जी रहा है पूरा. वो उल्टा जी रहा है.
it's
So
so
and I
funny.
used to do this.
On Instagram, on my Instagram, someone posted like a 10-second video of you guys, you
हाँ
Priyanka and Ranveer, giving their ID
हाँ हाँ
for our
yeah.
interview. So Ranveer said that I'm Priyanka Chopra, and Priyanka said that I'm
She said I'm
Ranveer
Ranveer and
Singh,
I said
and
I'm
then you
still
said that
Arjun
I'm
Kapoor.
Arjun Kapoor.
Yeah.
So it just popped
But
up
I
a few days
remember
back.
that. Yeah, I
It just
remember
popped
that.
up a few days back.
Even I saw
But
it. Yeah.
but yeah, Gunde was a film that it did really well at the box office as well, and क्या होता है एक मास फिल्म का एक अलग ही इम्पैक्ट होता है and
I
it
agree. I
reaches out
agree. I agree. आज भी
to
लोग
a
बोलते
far
हैं टंग टंग
bigger
वाला है.
audience. Exactly, but it reaches to a far bigger audience, and so I think One Day Part 2 will not be a bad idea.
No, it wouldn't actually, and it doesn't have to be the same period. It could be a new period this time. You have the same characters in a new period. That's very possible. I know
Right.
Ali is creative enough to come up with a solution to make a sequel to Gunde, but I think it all comes down to when Ranveer and Adi and me and Ali sit down and maybe plan it. But it's not something that we can say ki it's not possible. It is possible
Right.
in the future.
It is, yeah. All right. This is Samir Ilyas. Hi Arjun Bhai. When your movie Sandeep or Pinky Farrar is releasing, I'm really excited for the movie and also tell about your upcoming projects. Love you so much. This is Samir
Thank you so
Ilyas.
much, sir. Samir, right?
Samir, yeah.
Thank you so much, yes, Samir. Samir, I think right now, just the situation hai with Sandeep or Pinky Farrar, it was about to release, but now, um, if Faridun can get an interview with Aditya Chopra, he can inform us how Sandeep or Pinky will release. Because honestly, I am the last person who can answer that right now. I genuinely don't know. But
Do anything to get an interview with Aditya Chopra.
exactly. So I would do anything. I would do anything to get that answer from Adi sir right now. But I think अभी तो यार थिएटर खुलना जब चालू होंगे तब वो फैसला होगा कैसे कब कहाँ. So I think Sandeep or Pinky will definitely come out. It will be a matter of when the theaters open only then. The film that I was completing shooting for is a film with Rakul Preet Singh and Neena Gupta and Kumud Mishra. We were in fact about to put the poster and the title out finally at the end of March, and then this happened. 10 दिन बचे उसके कुल मिला के shooting के, and that's a very sweet family comedy. It's like Kapoor and Sons Badhai Ho, it's a full-on family film. It's based in Punjab, and it deals with an NRI coming back home to meet his family again. So it has very few days of shooting left, but अब वो जब खत्म होगी तब रिलीज होगी. तो वो 7-8 दिन बचे हुए हैं. That's the film, and there are 2 other films that I've signed, but it's unfair to talk about it right now because the producers have not announced it. The lockdown happened before the announcements could be official. So I'm hoping Bollywood Hangama will carry the official announcements soon. Fingers crossed. Once the lockdown opens up, we can start putting out information in the right way.
But all these conjectures about Sandeep and Pinky Farrar, was Anu Malik factor responsible in a way for the delay of releasing it? What really happened? Because see, the director is outstanding.
So what happened with correct, yeah, he is. And if you've seen the trailer and if you've seen it, it's completely down Dibakar sir's alley, that film. मतलब
Dibakar is outstanding.
उस फिल्म के लिए मैंने 4 महीने प्रेप किया. तो मैं जो भाषा जो बोली जो ठेठ जाट सुर पकड़ना था मुझे, दिल्ली का जो महिपालपुर का जाट होता है, उसके लिए मैं दिल्ली में रहा 1 महीना दिवाकर सर के साथ. तो in my contract it stated that I will spend 3 months prepping and 3 months shooting. So I prepped for 3 months with him and we shot in 1.5 months. But he had taken 6 months ka window. He said for 6 months I need the actor with me, and it is there on paper. So and I had a blast with him. He used to come home every day, sit and have lunch with me and just talk to me. That was his prep. He used to say, "और पिंकी क्या हो रहा है?" He used to just talk. और बता क्या हो रहा है, क्या किया आज तूने? कुछ नहीं साहब, बस हम तो ये कर रहे थे, वो कर रहे थे. अच्छा चल पिंकी ये कर, अच्छा चल वो कर. नहीं कुछ नहीं. अच्छा ठीक है, समझ गया. नहीं क्या करना है तुझे? तो he used to just keep talking. Then he used to make me read books to get the accent. So I had a blast working with him, and he's a treat to work with. I mean, when the film is up for release and we do the interviews, I'll tell you the kind of stuff he made me do. I went and lived with the cops in Delhi. Spent time with them, sitting, talking 4 for 5 hours. He made me make a backstory for why Pinky is called Pinky, what Pinky's life is, who his mother is, who his father is. और ये सब फिल्म में है नहीं. So I loved working with him. So what happened with Sandeep or Pinky is Namaste England got ready before Sandeep or Pinky because he took time to edit. Sandeep and Pinky took a bit of time to edit. Because Dibakar sir is that kind of director. He likes to meander in the edit and then find what works for him. It's sort of similar to how Sriram Raghavan and Sujit Da, they all are, they unke edit pe they like to play with the material. So Namaste England lagi. Then after that, obviously, once Namaste England didn't do well as expected, it didn't pan out. So I don't think it was right to have the same pair come back immediately. It needed a break. So then we decided that, okay, let's wait and have one other film come of hers and mine, and then we'll release it. So unfortunately, karte it just built up to a time where time has ended up passing. So it feels like, acha, wo kafi time se nahi aayi hai. But it was just a matter of 6-8 months actually that it went up and down. Sandeep or Pinky was not ready to release, so Namaste England got preponed. So technically, if you look at it, it was just a matter of 7, 8, 9 months that the delay was, which happens invariably in a film. It's just because we had announced it and shot it, people felt, it's taken some time to come. Okay. But it's a film that I'm tremendously proud of.